Negativity's leeching. Any shred of composure, rationale is decayed and left me found in madness. A peaceful calm, I stop for a balance of no. This burden tortures me deep in my soul. I found the strike won't make the bleeding stop, nor will it take away the pain. I feel like this search is all in vain, and I struggle to find my way. How I yearn for the silence, for an end to the voices. The calamity grows and the darkness leads to disarray. Guilt buries me alive in a coffin criticized. I shoulder the blame.